Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with a RAW file because it preserves highlight and shadow detail. Open it in Camera Raw. First, increase exposure modestly and lift shadows, think +0. 7 to +1. 5 stops and shadows +20 to +60 to reveal detail without blowing highlights. You should also enable profile corrections and remove chromatic aberration now, since lens corrections change how light and edges behave. Once these basics are set, click Open to transfer the improved image into Photoshop. Once in Photoshop, add a curves adjustment layer to control contrast. Create a subtle S-curve and anchor the midtones so you don't crush detail. Next, use the Camera Raw filter as a smart filter for clarity, texture, and targeted exposure. This preserves flexibility. Then paint on the layer mask with a soft, low-opacity brush or gradient to locally brighten faces, foregrounds, or windows. Make sure to feather selections and reduce highlights after brightening. This keeps the result natural and avoids halos. To finish, create a 50% gray layer set to soft light and gently dodge highlights or burn shadows for micro-contrast. This sculpts form without flattening. After brightening, apply noise reduction, preferably selectively on shadow areas or faces, because lifting exposure increases noise. Finally, inspect the histogram and use shadow/highlight or luminosity masks to recover any clipped zones. If color casts appear, add a selective color or curves layer to correct them. If you still see grain, reduce sharpening or increase noise reduction. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.